Santa was good to E-Man Deluxe this year. Oh boy.
Hey, that was your wife.
Yeah, she's right.
HIT up. I don't need to effing tell you how to make scrambled eggs. And don't effing overcook them.
Hey, E-Man Deluxe. Outdoor garage. It's winter edition, but you wouldn't know it. It's gotta be 50, 55 today. Ah, it's a beautiful thing. Trying to get some work done here. Got a piece made up. We gotta trim this thing up, and I'm gonna get this thing put in today. Let's see what else. I got these nice new gloves for Christmas for using my angle grinder. Thank you, son. And I didn't have one of these, so that's nice. All right, let's get cracking. Little more of that, it'll fit. Alright, got it to fit. And I know it's a tiny little patch, but hey, you know, gotta start somewhere. Let me get this thing welded in. I'm not gonna cut out a big section just to replace the nasty rusted area. Everything else is fine. Yes, that's fine. It's solid. Alright, yeah, I had to turn the radio off. I was jamming. It's kind of nice when you finally get rolling. But you gotta turn the music down for YouTube's. My battery's flashing. Well, that's a start. They're laying down pretty flat. I'm liking it. It's gonna look all right. Get this welded up, cleaned up, get a coat of little primer or something, and then the reason why I'm doing this right now is because I want to get some paint on the backside before I put the heater channel in. Yeah, I'm happy with that. It's all ground down. I had a couple holes, but yeah, it's ultra smooth now. Alright, next. So in the midst of doing some prepping, We got a little added patina coming here. The sparks were flying, I guess, and yeah, this is smoking, it's smoldering. I'm gonna put that out pretty quick. Oh my God. Good thing I didn't walk away from it. Got a little padding in behind the headliner material. Sparked up a little bit. And got a little melted spot there. Alright, before I get welding, just want to show this how I piece this together, and I'm hoping it's right, but I got these two pieces. I gotta make some repair patches because this piece wasn't big enough to reach the damaged part. But anyway, that's kind of in place, you know, with the stud for the fender. I got this material, which is good. I was able to reuse that. I'm hoping that this is right. I mean, I've checked this fitment a bunch of times, so you know, I'm gonna have to fix that. Coming over here, you know, repair panel there again. But I just want to get this thing in so that. All right, battery died. Anyway. Yeah, so you know, another repair panel afterwards, but I just want to get this tacked into this panel here, going down, and on the B pillar here. All good material there. I got that one little flap that I can weld on there. I'm gonna get this to the firewall there, and then fold this flap down and weld that there, and that should be it. And as of right now, hold on a second. Oh, put this light down. Okay, so as of now, it fits pretty well, and pretty confident that we're good. It's a little off, but I can't really jack this end up more, and I'm thinking that once the body's back on the car, I'll have a little more adjustment on the hinges, or maybe in here, but it's close enough, I feel. All right, I got this thing welded in. A little boogery here, but mostly just on this side, and then hit it over here. So it's in place. I gotta say, I'm really happy. Biggest thing, just you gotta get comfortable. When you're ready to weld, take it easy, take a deep breath, just relax. Listen to the welder. That's the biggest thing I've learned. Listen to the welder. Your settings. and make adjustments. There's there's videos on welding, and just they've helped me tremendously. Just watching other people do it, and you know, like I probably had too much feed right here. Too much feed going on. The heat was probably all right, but that's all right. It was real thin material there anyway. But this here, I was really happy with. So moving on. Oh yeah. We have a town dump, and I swear every time you have something on your mind and you're looking for something, take a look and it's there. I got this. This is for like a bed. It was just laying in the dumpster. It's like memory foam. So I cut a piece off of it. Looks like something's been chewing on it. But anyway, boy, that's real nice and comfy on your knees. Using my new Clecos here. I haven't gotten to this yet, but yeah, I'm real happy with it. I'm gonna let these jacks down and finally get some room in my garage here, my outdoor garage. There it is. It's on. Drop this one down. Look at that. Ha! It's attached. That's cool. Hey, it's staying up. Crunch, crunch as it falls. You know, the door's not closing perfect, but when I mess with this here, I'm gonna see if I can get this pillar to come up a little bit. There's still some flex there, so. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. Making some progress here, little by little. All right, thanks for watching. I don't know. Comment, subscribe. Love it all. Like it. I like that stuff too. All right. We'll keep these videos coming. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a happy new year. Don't party too hard. Get working on your beetle instead if you got the day off. That's what I say. All right. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.